Smoky barbecue chicken sandwich. Hey guys, I am Nick Mangold, former center for the New York Jets, and I am bringing you one of my favorite go-to game day treats. We are doing the fake fried smoky barbecue chicken sandwich. I know, it's a mouthful, but we get there. We have our smoker going on indirect heat, and this is the big heat. We have it at 400 degrees, so that way we're getting a little bit of heat in there. We are doing chicken thighs, so I have the chicken thighs marinating in the buttermilk with a couple of spices and everything. We're going to dredge those in our flour. I have one more to do, and that goes straight on to the grill. And we let them go while we wash our paws. So we're basically using this thing as like glorified oven, except we're getting all that smoky applewood flavor into it. So I'm going to use a meat thermometer to make sure that we're at the perfect temperature so we don't overcook our chicken, especially for a game day. And we'll let that run. Alrighty, we have reached temperature on these beauties. So let's check them out here in our oven smoker extravaganza. Oh, and they look fantastic. These things look beautiful. So let's build our sandwich. I went with Hawaiian rolls. I think they are the best. You get some of that sweetness in there. We take some of our pickles, little dill pickle chips here. Take one of our chicken thighs, set that down. We're gonna slather it with a little 74 BBQ sauce. I don't know if you've heard of it. It is mine. It's delicious. We are going with the spicy for this one. After we get it nice and coated, it's delicious. And you always heat your barbecue sauce before you put it on. You don't put on cold barbecue sauce. That is sacrilegious. Slap that little bun on top, and that, my friends, is the fake fried smoky barbecue chicken sandwich. Here we go. Big bite. When you do it like fried chicken, but you're doing it in a smoker with indirect heat, but you're at a high temperature, you get it to cook through quickly. You get that crispiness of the chicken with the breading, and then the barbecue sauce on top, get that spiciness, the pickles, get a little bit of that saltiness. It's just absolutely phenomenal. That is my game day treat.